Trenchies mobile. Trenchies? Yeah, I have them in my front.
Wanna give me some?
Get out and grab them. Make sure you close it though. There's a latch. Type shit. Giving out trenchies on the highway, bro.
I'll see you later.
Peace.
Dressing up for Polaroids and cigarettes, socialize, romanticize the life. Floating on my low-key vibe, floating on my low-key vibe. I don't need a headlight high. I'm floating on my
Ladies and gentlemen, what it do? We are back with another video. Today, I don't really know what we got planned. We're about to go to a car meet. I haven't been to a car meet. I've been to one meet in Miami, and it was like a couple weeks ago. I took the Porsche. It was fun. Today we're taking the Aventador. We're gonna go to this car meet. We're gonna see where the night takes us. It's a Friday night, so you know, got my work done for the day. Decided to head out and just kind of see what the night brings us. But I'm sure it's gonna be a banger because I'm sure there's probably about to be a lot of cool cars and a lot of people at this meet. So let's head over there.
Let's go. Yeah. Niggas get punched in the face with some TLC shit on the dead guys. Some TLC shit, cause my nigga, you gon' need a chili ice pack for your left eye. I'm back in your city tonight, walking around my head high.
Holy shit.
Dude, this is crazy. Where does like all of this even like lead to?
That's a good, I think a parking lot. I hear people saying his grandfather owns Fiji water. Bro, why did they bring me by the do-fast cars?
Well, I don't think the everyday person can buy an Aventador.
Okay, true, but like you come to car meets and there's like sections, you know? There's like supercars, there's like
that's true.
BMW. I bet. Alright. We get the footage for free?
I say
I can't afford to buy it, so I need it for free.
I mean, scale my brand. I got you.
Hey, I'm going to go tap in with Josh, nicest cameraman in Miami.
Yo, appreciate that, bro.
Hey, he
Thank you,
tapped
bro.
in. He watches the videos. If he knows your name, he really watches.
Hey, appreciate you, bro.
Where'd Gabe go?
With you?
Yeah, of course. What's up, man? Nice to meet you, bro.
And the other one.
What's up, bro?
I have a question.
Yeah, let's do it.
I've been training for like a year and 5 months, right?
Okay.
Nothing yet.
Yeah.
But I'm starting to like build like AI websites for like companies, right? Okay. And I got my first client. It's been like not even a week yet.
Not even a week. Okay.
What do you think?
Bro, if you're already closing clients just with only one service to sell them, you could easily learn a few more skills, sell your clients like 3 times the amount of skills that you're already doing just running their website. You see how like with building a website for a business, you're actually acquiring a real skill set that's valuable to other people. Like trading, it takes a long time to be profitable. But like with something like that, you're building a real skill set that's valuable to other people. So I think that that's worth a lot more than acquiring the skill, let's say, of trading. But yeah, I can't tell you what to do,
it's
but
fine,
like,
yeah.
Thank you, sir. Of course. Nice to meet you, bro. You too, bro. Find leads, whether it's through Google, whether it's through software like Appify, Apollo, whatever it is, and just pick up the phone and just dial.
Yesterday I was talking to some guy and like the conversation I had, and he was telling me, he pretty much made me realize that it's all about like just like reaching out. Like nobody's gonna find you.
Bro,
It's all about reaching out.
It's all a volume game. The more volume you put in, like the more you're gonna get out. It's all a volume game.
Man, thank you, bro.
Of course.
Nice to meet you, bro.
Nice to meet you. Hey, that's a good picture. Nice to meet you, man.
Yeah.
Can I get a pic?
Of course, bro.
Turned into a Brez meet and greet.
Why do I keep looking at the camera? Oh,
That camera,
we're
that
looking there. I keep looking at my camera. Exactly. Somebody asked me if I. Who asked me that? If I had some trenchies. Who was that? Was that you?
Bro, shout out to Trenchies right here. On the come up, yo. Freeze, bro.
Try him.
Freeze, bro.
Review.
Right now, right now.
Live reaction right
Yo,
here.
Aiden, live reaction, bro.
W free promo.
Ooh, what flavor you got?
Blue.
Blue? I got purple.
I'm about to make millions, yo.
That's just nice, yo.
Wait, these are the old ones too. We actually just reworked the whole formula, so now they're even better. But those are the old ones. Who asked for trenchies? Yeah, I got you.
Oh,
I appreciate it, bro. That has
Thank you, bro.
Yeah, appreciate you, bro. Enjoy the trenchies.
Thank you, bro. Yo, can we get flick, bro?
Yeah, of course.
I bet, yo.
Oh shit, we almost kissed.
I
would have hated that. I love it. Yeah, of course, bro. Appreciate it.
Yo, we got more trenchies or not?
Yeah, I do.
Can we have them? Alright, thank you so much, bro.
Thank you, bro. Of course.
Yo, can my friend FaceTime after the picture?
Yeah. Yo, real quick, would you hold my one?
Oh, right here.
It has caffeine in it. And it gets you horny. For real?
Is there any advice you could give?
I mean, oh, shoot. Thank you. Yo, you're retarded. Oh, shit. Whoops.
We rolling
I'm gonna rev on everybody's head top. For the one time. Look. Bro, look at how many fucking people there are, bro. Holy shit. It's like a sauna in here, bro. If I roll my windows down, we're gonna get cooked.
Ride in the Aventador.
30,000.
How much?
30,000.
30,000?
Yeah,
Alright, bet.
Yeah, bet.
Yo, wrap that shit, man.
Alright. Hang on. Catch y'all. That's how it be around here, bro. Like in this area, it's a Jewish area, I will say. But the rich dudes, like, they don't buy like nice cars and shit. They just buy the whole fucking area, bro. They just own the whole thing. It's actually pretty motivational if you think about it. They just want to own everything. So they do. Me, on the other hand, I buy dumb shit. But I made a TikTok about this today. It was like, there's nothing wrong with being materialistic. It's like everybody has a reason why they want to, you know, become successful. And I think being materialistic is never a bad thing, because it's like you can want the things, and in the end of the day, it's not the things that'll make you feel like happy and fulfilled. But it's like being able to set a goal of like, I want this Aventador, and actually going and like achieving that goal is what builds like the confidence and the fulfillment, like deep down within yourself, that makes you happy. So it's not like physically having the thing, but it's the fact that you set that goal and you were actually able to achieve that goal. That's what like brings the genuine fulfillment. I think as a young person, it's never a bad thing to like strive to want things, you know, and like conquer buying those things and achieving those things. That's my take on it. Not everyone will say the same, but that's just kind of what I believe from my experiences.
Speaking of beliefs, do you have anything to say for people like who are trying to overcome like limiting beliefs? Like, did you have any?
I mean, I definitely had limiting beliefs, but I think it's a matter of putting yourself through hard situations that you don't think you can go through in the moment. Because it's like, bro, the average person has never put themselves through shit that's hard willingly, right? It's like maybe they've went through hard things in life, but not because they chose to put themselves through that situation. Because as soon as you start to willingly put yourself through hard situations because you know it's gonna build you into a stronger and better person, you're able to then start to build the confidence and the, you know, skills that are necessary to eliminate those limiting beliefs. It's like you have to do shit that's hard to build the confidence. You know, it's like even in sales, I always tell my students, like when you're cold calling, like you're not going to be confident your first time doing it, but the more repetitions you get, the more confidence you're going to build, the better you're going to get at doing it, the easier it's going to become. So it's just a matter of putting yourself through those situations you don't want to go through, because everything you've ever wanted to achieve out of life is simply on the other side of doing the shit that you don't want to do. And as soon as you do the shit you don't want to do, you build the things that are necessary in order to achieve the result that you're looking for.
I know there's somebody who loves me. Somebody who really loves me.
Oh my god. Vlog.
What's up, dude?
What's good, bro? Good to meet you.
Nice to meet you, bro. Lays.
I don't know about that.
You knew I wasn't short, bro. You knew I wasn't short.
I met you met before, but you were sitting down, so I didn't know. at Brain Risk.
Oh yeah. I'm a short fucking goddamn. I look short as shit now.
Oh, what type of food y'all want? The sushi.
You don't want to do it?
I mean, it's 30-minute wait. I just kind of walked away and started walking towards you guys. There's hella restaurants.
I don't care.
We installed a gate.
You have your own security? You have guns, no?
Yeah, that too. So like if they manage to get through him,
Bro, you're a better man than me. Like, dude, if you have a gun in California,
yeah. I mean it's legal here. I can own it.
I wish. I would move here, but it's like, bro, it is so like. I know people say LA is fake, but man, when I come here, I feel it.
It's worse there. Yeah.
You don't feel like your energy's drained?
Bro, I mean, I don't go outside. Like, people see my content and shit, and it looks like I'm out doing stuff, like, with hella people. Like, bro, I don't leave the house. Like,
How's the candy shit going?
good. It's been good.
It's
So,
actually not that bad. When I had
it's
it-
bitter, though.
No, the aftertaste is, you sent me some, but the aftertaste is really, I hate it. But like the beginning, it's not bad.
We have a new batch coming of, like, 10,000 units, and it's like, bro, it's way better.
Do you want to tell the vlog where we're going to, or do you want to leave it a surprise?
Yeah, I guess we left that off 2 vlogs ago.
Oh, they don't know yet?
No, I don't think I've posted it. Orange and I are going to Tokyo in a week from today. So by the time this video's out, probably like we'll be going to Tokyo.
I'm excited. We're going to Korea, Tokyo, China, Shanghai, Singapore, all in 1 week. It's going to be a fucking movie.
We're going to Tokyo. This shit looks good in my driveway.
You can keep it.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, you want to trade wheels?
Nope.
I want them.
In case you got to move it.
Bet.
Thank you, brother.
Catch you.
Bye,
Alyssa.
vlog.
All right, Gabe.
Peace out, bro.
See you.
Hi, Josh.
Bye, what's up? Dude, I want these wheels. What if he comes back and I just swap them in the time he's gone and I just put his wheels on mine? That's a wrap on another video. Make sure to subscribe, like, if you guys are interested in joining the AI Advertiser program, where I teach you how to start and scale your own marketing business using AI. Top link in the description. Buy Trenchies, linked in the description. If you want to go get yourself a pack, go get them. And follow my other socials. I appreciate y'all watching. I love y'all, and I'll catch y'all in the next video. Peace.